Hello from Diamond Painting Nerd. Welcome to another little unboxing, or unbagging if you will. This has been sent over to me from the guys at One Day Saving. And they'd already sent me some bits before, and they asked if I wanted to pick some other bits, and I was really impressed with the last bit, so I said yeah, of course. So let's take a look at, oh yeah, I got some fun projects. I got 3 things this time, so let's do this one first since it's on the top. So this one is a 30 by 40. I can't even remember what I ordered, so it's just as much of a surprise when I get this. Oh yes, I remember. So this one is a 30 by 40. Definitely needs a good flattening out, this one, but it'll be okay because I'll pop it into my storage folder, and then that will definitely flatten out with the other ones. This one is a 30 by 40 partial. Now, I don't generally do partials, to be honest, and I don't generally do specials, but when I saw this one, I just thought it looked absolutely beautiful. So in this one, in the toolkit, you get a tray, a pen, a square of wax, and some plastic tweezers. And then these, I think, are specials, so or crystals. So there's 11 in this, so there's not that many different colours, but we'll take a look at the drills. Sorry for the rustling. Let's open these up. All on one train. Okay, so we have 1 through 11, and oh, we've got some ABs in this. Okay, I've not done a specials kit where you've got any ABs. I've had ones that you've had crystals. I think that's it really, so I'm excited to see some ABs in this one. So we have some silver crystals, some red, and these ones have the silver backing. The reason they have the silver backing is so when you put them onto the canvas, you don't see the symbol showing through. Obviously, if you had an A showing through, then it's not going to look very good. So you have some red, we have some hot pink, we have some green, some orange. That's a really nice, like, fiery orange. Then we have some, almost like a greeny brown. Then we have a beautiful purple and a lovely tealy aqua colour. And then some yellow. And then we have a black AB. And it has a bluey greeny coating on. So it's got that Aurora Borealis coating to reflect the colours around it. And then we have these semi pearls. These are bigger than your standard drills by the looks of things. So those are the 11 different drills that you get in here. Now the canvas itself, let me just pop those back in the bag. The canvas itself, the canvas itself. I will learn to get my words out today. I don't know what's wrong with me. The canvas itself has the legend top and bottom. It is switched because normally I'd expect it top left and bottom right, but on this one it's top right and bottom left, but that's fine. We do have a mixture of symbols, and so number 1 is 1, but then the rest are symbols, and they're symbols that I don't recognise. So yeah, but it's all very legible. I don't think there's going to be any issues with being able to read those. And also this is going to be a nice and quick project because it's a partial. Let's take a look. So the stick does only exist on the actual painting area. However, it does look like there is quite a lot of overbleed where it kind of comes they pour the glue so it does come over, because what you don't want to do is when they're doing this the glue pouring, you don't want it to stop so it doesn't quite reach the edge. So you always have that bleed area, but there's quite a big bleed area on this. So what's going to happen is once it's completed, I think I'm just going to have to put it into the storage folder straight away. Otherwise it's going to get bits and bobs stuck to that extra glue area. But I love it. I just thought it was a really pretty image of the back of this girl, hair tied up, which that's me, and then these butterflies on her back, and then these kind of drips coming down. I just loved it. So I can't wait to complete that one. That's going to be a really nice, quick, easy project, so I'm happy with that. And then I bought this. I didn't buy it. I asked for this one to be sent. I don't do a lot of off the canvas stuff, but I saw this. I love Halloween. It's something that has really grown on me over the last few years, and I love decorating my house for Halloween. And I saw this and I'm like, oh, this is perfect. Now, you could spend so much money on decorations in TK Maxx, TJ Maxx if you're in America. Always the go-to place. Target if you're over there as well, and picking up loads of different Halloween decorations. I'm going to leave all the prices linked in the description box down below based on the prices today when I film. But this was fairly inexpensive. I think it was like $6 or $8. And I think it's a really good price. This is really thick. It's actually got 3 bits of wood all together. And so that makes it really, really durable, which is great because when you store it away until the next Halloween season, then obviously you want it to not get damaged or anything. So we have this, which is a little trick or treat sign. The base is also here for you to be able to just slot that straight into. Now I can see at the bottom here, you can still see that wood. So I might just run a Sharpie along the bottom there just so it's black like the bottom. You could decorate the base as well, so you don't need to keep it plain like that. You could add, if you've got any leftover drills, you could add some extras onto that. But this is what we have. Now it's going to be a very quick process because it looks like there are a total of 4 colours. So the drills that we have in this one, we have an orange crystal. Now these do look dusty. So I'm just seeing if that's on, yeah, that's on the inside of the packet. This can happen sometimes, especially with a budget-friendly ones. They just need a bit of a wash by the looks of things. So I will do that prior to starting this. It's not ideal, but it does only look like that packet though. So it's a bit odd because the black, that's a 310. That's just your standard 310. That's okay. Those green ones there's some static in there. They're bobbing around. But apart from that, they're clean. And then this other green one on the end, again, a bit of static, but they're clean. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to grab my, I'm going to grab this as a pokey tool, which I use for scrapbooking. And I'm just going to poke a small hole in the bag. So when I actually come to kit up, I'm not going to kit up 4 colours, but when I actually come to use these, I'm hoping that by giving the drills a little bit of air, then the static might actually calm down by the time. Now the black's fine. The black doesn't appear to be an issue, and the orange doesn't appear to be an issue. It's just these green ones that are jumping around all over the place, and it's nothing that you can do anything about. It is just part of the manufacturing process, and so it can happen. But yeah, I've poked a little hole in there just to get some airflow through those drills, just to try and help when I actually come to do this. So this is the actual piece that I will be diamond painting. So I'm just going to peel up the cover. Yeah, it's lovely and sticky, which is great. So once this is completed, I will seal it because if it's going to go out as a decoration, I don't want the drills falling off over time. So once I've completed it, I will seal it. So I'm really excited again to do this one. You do get the standard toolkit, so the tray, the boat, and the wax. Not the tray, the boat and the wax. The tray, the pen and the wax. But I don't use these, so that will just be donated on or recycled. And yeah, so just a super fun little Halloween project. I've got some Halloween coasters as well. So I'm putting these to one side and treating myself early October to be able to complete these little Halloween-y things. So I love that. Thank you very much. 1 day saving. That's brilliant. And then the final one, what did I order? Oh, yes, this one is beautiful. So this one is a 40 by 50. I loved the colours in this. Okay, let's get her out. And I looked at the rendering on this and I think it's going to turn out beautifully. So let me just give it a little roll back on itself. These are all the budget canvases, so they are that that kind of oilcloth texture rather than any soft backed. But from all of the budget ones I've not had any issues with the canvas, so I don't find it a problem. So let's just, oh no, don't let the front cover touch the painting because it's not designed to be put down onto the glued surface. I'm just going to pull the cover back and just straighten it back out, and that really does help to relax those folds in the canvas. There we are. Okay, hopefully this will all be in shot fairly okay, and I'm really sorry about the glare as well, but I've got the lights on because it's dark and miserable here in the UK right now. So we have this one here. Isn't she beautiful? Another one that I was really excited to. I forgot about it, and then obviously when I've got it I remembered what I ordered. So I love the colourings in this, the blues and the purples. There are 24 colours, legend, top and bottom. Yep, the canvas is beautifully sticky, so I don't have any issue with that. It's a poured glue canvas. Standard toolkit again, just with a bit of a bigger plate of wax there. How I love my drills to come, and that is in the Ziploc bags. So I'm going to take these out because I really want to have a look at the colour palette in a little more detail. So let's get these out. And I don't think these are stored in order by the looks of things, so I'm going to have to reorganise anyway when I come to kit up. So let's get these out. Oh, we've got a bit of a loose random drill in there, and that's a square drill. This is a round kit. So we have some beautiful burgundy. We have a big bag of grey, number 12. That is going to be a lot of this background colour. Then we have some brown. Oh, here are the beautiful purples. Look at these purples. So we've got, there's got to be a 550 amongst this lot, right? Let's see what we've got. And there's another purple here and some more. So these are all, is that all the purples? I think that's all the purples. So this is why I think the shading is going to be lovely on this, because we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 different pinky purple colours going on here. Oh, that one's just about to escape its bag by the looks of things. And, oh, here it is. Let's grab that and pop that in. And I think that's another, oh no, it's not another loose one. There we go. So we have, that's your 550, I think. Where is it? 9. Yep, that's 550. Beautiful lilac colour right here. That is colour number 210. Love that. So yeah, loads of purples, quite a bit of grey for the background, which is quite nice that it's not white, something a little different. And then we have a darker grey. Oh, we've got another kind of purpley colour there. We've got some blue, or some duck egg blue going on, slightly darker. And then we have, so it's not all blues and purples, because then we've obviously got some skin tone colours going on in here. Some oranges, some darker blue, some darker grey, a little bit of what I would imagine is probably 310. And then just some of the skin tone down here as well. I think this one's going to be beautiful when it's all worked up. So this is another one that I kind of really want to get done, because I really want to see it come together. So it might be one that I kind of skip forward in my queue ahead of some of the other ones. So I just wanted to pop on just to show you the bits Sorry about that. I didn't mean to whack the camera. I just wanted to show you the bits and bobs that I've picked up from One Day Saving. Thank you very much to the guys at One Day Saving for sending these over. I love all three. I can't wait to do all three. And that's when you know that you are happy with the products, that you want to kind of jump in and actually get them started. I might do this one as a little kind of evening project. I can just sit on the sofa and do that one, so that might be quite fun to do. Maybe this evening I might treat myself. But yeah, thank you very much to One Day Saving for sending these over. Stay tuned for further videos where I show you reviews on these completed. Maybe not the Halloween one, that won't be for a while, but stay tuned for where there are completion reviews on getting these. There might be kitting up videos, who knows? The world is my oyster, right? So thanks for joining me for today. And as always, if you wouldn't mind giving the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, hit the bell notification so you know when I next upload. Drop me a comment in the comment section down below. Let me know. Do you like doing specials? Do you like working with specials? Do you prefer partial paintings? Let me know. Give me some feedback. And I'll see you all again in the next video. Bye.